Denver home prices, they really skyrocketed in that 2020 to 2022 period. And today we have a lot of different factors going on, especially the higher interest rates, more inventory, and the market's starting to balance out a bit. With all this being said, some of these areas that we're going to talk about are just simply kind of leveling off. So I don't think there's quite as much concern to be had as maybe what you first thought when I made that bold statement. So let's just first start off talking about these 5 areas that have seen the biggest drop. And these are primarily in the northern side of Denver, as well as a little bit to the west. One thing that's also interesting is these are also some of the areas that actually saw the biggest growth during that COVID period. So I do think a lot of this is just kind of that rebalancing. So I'm going to share with you guys now each of these 5 neighborhoods along with just where they're located so you can understand on a map. So I'll go in a little bit more depth on each of these, but just so you can see all 5 on the map. The first one is Athmar Park. This is a residential neighborhood. It's in southwest Denver. It's just west of I-25 and just south of Alameda. And it's really known for its mid-century homes and really good, easy access to downtown. The second area is a neighborhood called Clayton. So Clayton is in northeast central Denver, just east of York Street and just north of City Park. It's definitely a quieter residential area. And what I love about it, it's really close to the Denver Zoo and the Museum of Nature and Science. The third area is College View. So this one is found in far southwest Denver, really close to Federal Boulevard and Hampton Avenue. This neighborhood is bordering Inglewood. And one interesting thing about this part of town is it offers a lot of different affordable housing options. Then the fourth neighborhood is going to be North Capitol Hill. So this one, it's just northeast of downtown. It sits between Uptown and Capitol Hill. And this has a mixture of a lot of stuff. High-rise apartments and also a lot of older Victorian homes that were built going on 100 years ago. And then the last one, number 5, is Civic Center. So Civic Center is located just in the heart of downtown Denver. It's home to a lot of government buildings, Civic Center Park, and a lot of cultural landmarks. One of my favorites, the Denver Art Museum. Okay, so those are the 5. Now just to share with you exactly how much these prices in these areas actually did decline. Going up right off the bat from number 1, we've got Athmar Park, which is down 8.7%, Clayton down 7.5%, College View down 7.4%, North Capitol Hill down 7.3%, and Civic Center, last but not least, it was down about 6.9%. Okay, so those are the 5 with the highest percentage of decline, but I also want to make a point that any of the surrounding neighborhoods around these didn't see quite as much, but did also have a somewhat substantial decline just in that entire surrounding area. And as I said a few minutes ago, these are also areas that back in 2020 to 2022 saw the largest increases. So again, just to really hit it home here, I think a big part of this is just due to the rebalancing of the neighborhoods in the market.